This is my Tech Life, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. August 19th, that was the day when I bought, the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. And apparently I had to return it to Verizon store due to battery issues. As you probably know already that, Samsung had the battery issues, and so just to be safe I had to replace it. So how would you know if the Note 7 that you have is a replacement phone? It's actually here. You will see a black square box, and this is a sign that the phone that you have is a replacement phone and should have no battery issues. So okay, let's open now. So this is actually my second unboxing. So the box is sturdy, everything looks good. I like the black onyx. People were like telling me to get the blue one, but I really like the black, just to be I feel like it's elegant. Anyway, so once you open the box, you will see the phone directly, and I'm not gonna turn it on at this time since I'm gonna make a different video as a review. So as usual, you will have the manuals, and you will see the SIM ejecting pin. And then inside you will see the chargers, and if you're still using the previous type of chargers, you can actually use this. So I believe this is like the type C. And you have the headphones, and this one is the adapter wherein it allows you to transfer files easier from your previous device to your new Android device. So I'm gonna make another video. It will be the review of the Note 7, and thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel, My Tech Life. Thank you.